In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wix site URL. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Wix, what to click depending on your plan, and how to make the change stick so visitors land on the right address. First, open your site in the Wix dashboard. Head to wix.com and sign in. On your main dashboard, locate the site you want to update, select it, and choose Edit Site or View Site. Either option is fine. You're just getting into the site's workspace so you can reach the settings. Next, go to Settings, look to the left sidebar, scroll down, and click Settings. This is where Wix keeps everything related to your domain, site address, and publishing. Now, changing the URL works a little differently depending on your plan. If you're on a premium plan with a custom domain, start in Settings and choose Domains, or it may say Connect Domain. If you already have a custom domain connected and you're switching to a different one, click the three dots next to the current domain and choose Remove or Disconnect. This detaches the old address from the site so you can attach a new one. Don't worry, your site itself isn't deleted. After that, click Connect Domain and enter the new address you want, like do yourbrand.com. Wix will guide you through the prompts to connect and verify it, whether that means purchasing the domain through Wix or updating DNS if you own it elsewhere. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate, so if the new address doesn't appear instantly, give it a little while. And if you're on the free Wix plan and using a wixsite.com address, you'll do this in a slightly different place. In Settings, click Website Settings. Look for the site address or URL field. You'll see something like your named wixsite.com/yoursite. Edit the part you're allowed to change, the text before the slash or your site's path, to make it cleaner and more on brand. When you're done, scroll up and click Save. Just a heads up, on the free plan, the wixsite.com portion stays until you upgrade to a premium plan with a custom domain. To apply the new URL, republish your site. In Website Settings, click Unpublish if you see that option, then click Publish again. This refresh pushes the change live. Click View Site to open it and confirm the updated address in your browser's bar. If it still shows the old URL, try a hard refresh or check in a private browsing window. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.